Good evening and thanks for watching tonight. I'm Matt Davenport.
And I'm Marlise Serby. The Moreno brothers' trial ended early this evening.
After less than 2 hours of deliberation, the jury came back with not guilty on all charges.
KPVI with news that works for you, reporter Paul Beam has more, including reactions from the defense attorney.
Families on both sides were emotional as the verdict was read out. Gabriel Moreno, not guilty on second-degree murder and voluntary and involuntary manslaughter. And Anthony Moreno, not guilty on principal of the same charges.
The jury did the right thing. They listened to the evidence. They reviewed it, and the evidence has been consistent from the beginning, which is what we've argued throughout this case, that this was self-defense.
Defense attorney Justin Olson continued, stating that it's a win for the system. It proves that you can defend yourself when you're attacked. The defense believes that there isn't one piece of evidence that put the jury over, and that their message and evidence had been consistent throughout the trial, whether it be the Snapchat video or the enhanced surveillance, which is why the verdict was fast-paced after only 2 hours of deliberation.
I would say that's probably extremely fast for a murder trial, which reconfirms my position that the evidence was not there. These guys were the victims in that attack.
And while the proceedings have been hard on both families, the defense wants Nathan Richardson's family to know that it will take some time to accept the outcome.
I feel terrible for them. I know the Morenos feel terrible for them. They did not want this to happen. I mean, they did not want anybody to die as a result of this. I hope as time goes by, they'll realize, you know, when we make choices, there are consequences. And I know from personal experience that it will take them a long time before, if ever, they'll ever let this go.
Reporting from the courthouse, I'm Paul Beam, KPVI News that works for you.
After the verdicts were read, the judge stated the Morenos will be released from custody.